Can I recreate a professional V logo using only Canva? Let's find out. I found this V logo template in Canva, and today I'll try to remake it from scratch. Will it look identical, or will it be a total fail? Stay tuned. Before we start, drop a comment. How close do you think my version will be? Let's go! CANVOO. First, go to the Elements menu and select an inverted triangle. Resize it and position it as shown in the example. Next, go back to the Elements menu and grab a rectangle. Reduce its height to turn it into a long, thin rectangle. Place it above the triangle, leaving some space. Then, duplicate the rectangle and place the copy above it, maintaining equal spacing. Now, take another rectangle and change its color to white. Rotate it so that it aligns with the slanted edges of the inverted triangle. Once it's perfectly aligned, drag the white rectangle upward to trim the edges of the long rectangles. Repeat the same process on the left side. Now comes the tricky part, so make sure to follow along carefully. We're going to add connecting elements to complete the logo. To do this, duplicate the long rectangle and change its color to black for easier editing. Move it behind the triangle and the orange rectangles, then rotate and position it as precisely as possible to match the reference. Once that's done, repeat the process for the top part as well. Pay close attention to how each corner aligns with the orange rectangles. Once everything is in place, rotate the top rectangle slightly upward. Now, grab a triangle from the Elements menu again to create an arrow shape. Adjust its size and position to make the logo look well proportioned. If everything looks good, group all the elements together and move them up slightly to make space for the logo text at the bottom. But before that, I'm going to change the logo's color to blue with the hex code number 007BFF. For the connecting elements, I'll use a deep dark blue. Now let's add the logo text. I'm sticking with the name Vortex for this V logo challenge. For the font, you can use XO2 to give it a dynamic and modern digital look. As for the text color, match it with the main logo color. And here's the final result. What do you think? Does it look similar to the original? Let me know in the comments below. Want to see more Canva logo design tutorials? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss out.